Yeah, that's a camel. So we're just finishing the Santiago Zoo, and it was very interesting because the whole zoo is built on the side of the mountain, so everything is very steep. As you can see, that's just part of it, but it goes all the way up there and just all stair steps. Oh yeah, there's the elephant. It's a very cool zoo. What are we doing, Sid?
We're on the right.
On the...
I don't know.
Yeah. What do you think, girl?
I'm scared.
Can you say funicular?
Funicular.
So, what did we just do, girls?
I don't know.
They're all gone.
No.
So, did we ride the funicular?
We did.
And was it fun? Was it scary?
Yes. Scary.
Don't open that,
Not
please.
scary.
So,
Not
right now we're here at
Not
the
scary.
Mary statue that overlooks the city of Santiago.
There's certain way the flowers should go or something. It's not easy.
All right, here we go. Adios, montaña.
Woohoo!
Observatory over there.
It's the bumps. Ready?
The bump.
Bump, 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 bump.
It's pretty smooth. There's like a terrace garden.
What do you guys think? Is this easier than walking off the mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sid?
Sydney, do you like it?
I love it.
You like it a lot?
There's a place
They're
in
building
mountain.
something.
Wow.
Nice.
I'm scared now.
The wind.
It's just the wind.
That's not for people
Oh,
to
I could swim in that. That would be fun.
Weird, but it has a ladder.
Looks like
Dun 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 dun.
That's fun. That's
wow. We didn't bring our swimsuit.
fast off.
It's saber.
Oh, there's the ghost of Sydney. There's the not ghost. What you doing?
I'm up here.
Be loud. And Sierra came down, which is going back up, so show us how fast you can go. Yeah, so we just played on this exact same thing in Texas,
It was a different design,
but basically the exact
but
same.
very, very simple.
Sierra, was this a cool park? What was your favorite part of the park? The workout stuff? The things built for the adults? So, Sydney, what are we doing?
We're walking.
Yeah, well, Daddy's walking, you're sitting. We're walking to Sky Costanera. The tallest skyscraper in South America. 66 floors. Where are you?
I'm at the Sky Decker.
The Sky Decker.
Yeah.
Point it at you too. Alright, we're somewhere else. This is good.
Sierra.
To climb up here. And then down there.
Hi.
That's the biggest mall inside.
Daddy.
That was all food.
Mommy.
Yeah, the 6th floor, just to paint a picture. It's probably, yeah, it's just like your average size mall, but only food. So, see you later.
See you later.
It's a circle of friendship.